faster than an AR.
No, I was talking
It does no damage though. That was ADS,
I
right?
was talking about that.
Yeah. I told
Yeah.
quickscopes.
I was talking about the heat vision one or something. It's called the, it's like it's like a heat vision one where you can actually.
Wait, no, that's the that's an AR. I mean, it's
Oh, get in my box.
considered
Box like
a sniper,
fish.
but it only does 35 damage. Okay, really?
You're one. He's one shot.
I'm two.
Wait, no, you're one.
I'm 40 health. Oh wait, never mind. I'm 20. Wait, why did I think I was 40?
You're one shot.
Why did I think I was 2 shot?
Whoa!
Who's just changing the background? Oh, yo!
The deadly.
Oh no! This is free
How did
kill!
I
Free
escape
kill!
twice in a row?
Free kill!
I need the health.
Oh, box like fish! Box like fish!
Yes, the health.
Oh, you stole. You kill steal.
Here it comes. He's swinging.
There's no way I missed all these shots. Oh, how am I alive? Oh, box like fish! Box like fish!
Reload.
Oh no, that's not my wall, and I don't have reloaded.
No.
Oh, get out my box!
Problems with no scoping. And everyone's here. Bruh.
He's right. Pickaxe him.
I know. Wait, why are you in my box?
Oh my god.
Box like fish! Box like fish! Oh.
Okay, who's
Wait.
next?
What? Wait, which is the
We are
person
doing
who
sniper
has a
only.
pistol?
Oh!
Let's go!
Fight my 7 hunting rifles.
No! Get away from me.
Actually, swear. Oh,
No, I'm one shot too.
wait, you are?
Yeah.
Like one shot to a sniper? Oh god.
To both.
How did that miss?
Come on!
Bruh.
Let's go! Wait!
That's over. No, let go!
Mario! Oh! Oh.
Oh my god.
Pickaxe battle!
quickscope is
Pickaxe
like-
battle!
Wait, the quick scope is like 100% accuracy.
Wait, I dare you guys have a pickaxe battle. You guys have a pickaxe battle.
What?
Using only
Oh, dead.
pickaxes.
I have no ammo.
Alright, you have an eagle? Okay, buddy.
Luke, take a deagle. Take a deagle.
You
Take a
guys are
deagle.
sweating.
Eagles?
You're like, I need to win, we're sweating on you.
Eagles are toxic.
Because you guys are
buddy.
building. You guys are building like towers, like John Wick.
Luke, take a deagle.
No, that's
Luke,
easy
take
to
a
grapple
deagle.
up.
That was clean.
I just peeked on you for 1 second and you died. I dare you.
I did. But I wasn't
Oh.
reloaded, so.
Bro, I just literally just like peeked for 1 second,
Oh.
just peeked, and then you
Get over
died.
here.
No, I don't have a
Here
grappler.
are all these, like, keys.
Hand cannon, okay, bud.
Okay, buddy.
Luke, take a deagle. Take a deagle.
Oh wait, did
That
I
was a
still
no-
hit you, or did
that
you
was
get
a-
the siphon?
Yeah, you still hit me,
Nice.
You hit me right after I got the siphon, too.
I kinda need this kill. I have no ammo
Wait,
left.
quick scoping's overpowered.
You didn't know?
Why are you building so automatically?
I'm trying to reload. I'm
What is
trying to
this?
reload.
What is this?
I only have 3.
Oh my god. There's no way we're Bill's fighting with snipers.
Oh, like some milk?
Oh!
No, yeah.
No, this.
No, edit.
Get over here.
Are you trying to pickaxe me, buddy?
Maybe.
Wait, it's just-
No, only I
that
can
it?
do that.
Is that
I
it?
pickaxe someone from 100 HP. Pickaxe Rio from 100
It's
HP.
snipers only. Wait, how did Rio not get you?
Why are you sweating so much? This is not a build contest.
No, I'm just trying to reload. I'm just trying to reload. Oh my god. I literally just tried
No,
to
there's no way I missed that. I peeked out area.
Should I? No, I'm not gonna.
Oh, hello.
Where?
Big for me.
I can't even spray with this.
I'm holding my walls. Don't jump in. I'm getting my stuffs.
I only have 3. I need to reload them sometimes.
I just dropped all of them to reload.
Oh wait, does it actually work?
Yeah,
Oh, nice. Hi.
but I just missed all my shots though.
Press knife.
Oh no, I have no ammo. That's not good.
No. Why
Why
you
you
have a
charge?
shotgun? I got
I'm
you,
waiting
Rio.
for-
Once it reloads.
Get over here.
I need to crank.
I know you like my pickaxes.
Wait, are we both cranking? We're literally both cranking. Why is everyone on me?
I don't
Did everyone
know.
like you?
It's because he's on me.
Bro, why are you
No.
cranking? I need to reload too.
Yeah, because I need to reload. Oh, yo! I need to reload. No.
Okay, I reloaded. We are chilling.
Like some milk. Oh my gosh, can you not?
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
How did I? Bruh.
No!
No way you're using a charge.
Oh!
No
Oh, I
way.
got him with the pistol.
No way you're using a
There's
charge.
so many builds. Let me just like click the button real quick.
You know, you're the one that built all of them.
No, I have no ammo.
Ooh.
Give me the kill. Give me the kill. Give me. Come back. Come back here. Come back.
Go!
What are you
No!
guys No!
Let's go.
Why was I so low? I got.
Yeah,
Oh,
what?
because it was a heavy sniper.
No, because I deagle you to the head.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Eagle does 150 to the head.
Give me out. Give me out.
Bruh. If I did that. Okay.
Pickaxe skin. Yeah, I'm just gonna
Oh,
be
that's
that
not
guy.
good.
Luke's literally
No,
at
no, no,
22
no, no.
health.
No, you actually screwed me, Rio. I'm literally dead now.
What?
Oh, I reloaded my guns for killing. Oh, I'm dead here.
Oh, I actually hit him. Bruh.
Back. You're 1 HP. Give me in.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm winning.
Oh, you're, get over here, get over here, get over here.
What? I blanked you.
Wait,
Get right there. I have to build. No, none of my guns are reloaded or
Alright, you
else
wanna
you're
build
dead.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, you have any shields?
Yeah.
Yeah,
yes.